Okay, so we're going to go through how you can store your bows and also how you can display them at craft fairs. So one thing I want you to know is that you, if you want to use something to cover your bows, the best thing to do is get the clear trash bags. You can get them from Sam's or Walmart or Costco. Those work really well. You just poke a hole through the top. You can also tie your bows around hangers and hang them sideways in your closet. But there are going to be several videos on here that show you the different types of ways that we store our bows and also how we display them at craft shows. In the description, you're going to see some links. So I added some links so that you can see the pegboard that we use, the grid wall that we use, and also the directions for how you can put a couple items together for display. One involves pegboard and the other one is the chicken wire. It's the square chicken wire, but you'll be able to see an easy way to build these that you can use. One of the videos that's on here is going to show you my craft fair. And what I want you to understand about the craft fair is we had a corner 10 by 10 unit, and using these panels, we were able to extend our footprint just a little bit and take use of the extra space we had being on the corner. And we were able to put all our bows on that corner. It was so popular that people who were coming to events, so this is a junior league event, and they have girls' night out, they have a formal during their show, during their Christmas show, and people were taking pictures in their formals in front of our bow wall. So it really made a huge statement and gets us a lot of orders for bows, for Christmas bows and things like that. These can lead to other things. So I want you to really watch that video and see how we put the 3 panels together using piano hinges, and we were able to really make a spectacular display as people came around to see where those bows were. Okay, one way to store your bows is to use chain link. So you can see here we just have them tied on to the chain link. It makes it easy to see where our bows are, and it's very easy to tie it and take it off. Another thing you can use are grid walls. So you can see how the grid walls have just little pieces on it. You can tie your bows there. You can even get little wheel attachments for your grid walls to put them in a triangle. I also told you I would show you this. So this is grid wall. I have the black trash cans from the Dollar Tree tied onto it. That's how we do our greenery. So this is another thing you can use. This one, I'm going to give you the link or directions on Pinterest, but this is what we take to our craft fairs, and it's very easy to tie the bows inside there. Another thing you can use is to use the pegboard. So you can get these at any hardware store, and you can see it's pretty easy to get pipe cleaners or whatever through there. These can also be tied onto tents. So you can see here, this is the pegboard, and we just have the bows tied on. Okay, so make sure you let me know if you have any questions.